Hey guys, this time it is me again. Now, this time, what I'm going to talk about is about the cluttering of the manufacturing segment and creating all this dust and scrap that is all just lying around and causing more pollution in the earth, and about global warming and which is being led to ultimately, and all the gases all creating trouble for everybody. Why not this idea come to push every of these manufacturing things to space so that we can do the green moving movement better in the earth, and we sort of what you call whatever ship or transfer the goods after manufactured from space to the earth, where there could be some other solution where it could be less polluting there, but even if it may be polluting inside the earth's planet, if we have to save the planet, this could be one alternative in the future. It's just a belief system. Somewhere it could work well, I feel. Cancel out the negativity. Yeah. Thank you.